Replacing your roof is a significant investment, and it's essential to be prepared for the process to ensure a smooth experience. Whether you've noticed wear and tear over time, or a recent storm has caused damage, a new roof can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal and protect your family for years to come. However, before the contractors arrive, it's crucial to take steps to prepare your home for a roof replacement in Madison Heights. Here's what you need to know. Clear the area around your home. One of the most important steps in preparing for a roof replacement is clearing the area around your home. Roofers will need access to the roof, as well as a safe and spacious area to store materials and debris. Here are some tips. Move vehicles. Ensure that your cars, bikes, and any other vehicles are parked away from the house. Roofers will be using large trucks to deliver materials and haul away debris, and vehicles in the way can obstruct the process. Remove outdoor furniture and decorations. Anything in your yard, such as planters, lawn ornaments, and patio furniture, should be moved to a safe area. These items could be damaged by falling debris or tools. Trim trees and shrubs. Low-hanging branches or overgrown bushes may obstruct roofers' access to your roof. Trim any foliage that could get in the way of the project. Protect your interior. A roof replacement can generate a fair amount of dust and vibration, and it's wise to protect your home's interior before the job begins. Cover furniture and floors. Place protective covers on any furniture near the roof, particularly in the attic or upper floors. You might also want to cover floors inside the house to prevent dust and debris from settling on carpets or hardwood floors. Secure fragile items. If you have valuables or fragile items on shelves or hanging from the ceiling, consider removing them temporarily. Vibration from the work may cause them to fall or be damaged. Close windows and doors. Close all windows and doors on the upper levels to prevent debris and dust from entering. This also helps to maintain the temperature in your home while the roofers are working. Prepare for noise and disruption. A roof replacement involves heavy machinery, hammers, and other tools that can create significant noise. The process can last a few days, so it's important to anticipate the disruption. Plan for your pets. If you have pets, keep them indoors or plan for a temporary stay with a friend or family member. The noise and unfamiliar activity might cause stress for them. Adjust your routine. The project will likely begin early in the morning and continue through the day. If you work from home or have small children, consider planning for alternative arrangements to avoid distractions and noise. Ensure access for roofers. For the roofers to do their job efficiently, it's essential to ensure they have full access to your roof. Check roof access points. If you have a ladder, ensure it is accessible for the roofers. If your roof is difficult to access due to overhanging trees or obstacles, make arrangements for removal. Provide proper communication. Discuss with your contractor where they will place equipment and how long the project will take. If there are any concerns or requirements, make sure to communicate them ahead of time. Notify neighbors. Roof replacement can cause noise and some debris to fall onto neighboring properties. Notify your neighbors ahead of time, especially if you live in a tight-knit community like Madison Heights. This will give them a heads up, and they will appreciate the courtesy of knowing when the work will take place. Conclusion. By taking these simple yet important steps to prepare your home for a roof replacement, you can help ensure that the process is as smooth and efficient as possible. While a roof replacement can be a big undertaking, proper preparation makes it easier for everyone involved, especially you. If you are ready for a new roof in Madison Heights, following these tips will help you manage the project with less stress and enjoy the final results.